Hi everyone, welcome to your channel. Today, we explored the historic site where the Pandya king ruled. The temple was located in the place of Manarkovo in Tirunelveli district. The name of the temple is Thiruvasakar temple. It was built in the 6th century BCE to 15th century CE. This is the main way of the temple. The ancient temple is constructed from rugged rocks. The Thiruvasakar temple is considered one of the most important Shiva temple in Tamil Nadu. Nandi is Lord Shiva, loyal bull companion and guardian. Nandi is sitting at the entrance of Shiva temple to protecting the Lord and his devoted. The temple celebrates various festivals throughout the year, including the annual Thiruvasakar festival. The door is made up of teak wood. Let's head around to the back of the temple and explore some of its lesser-known features. This is the side way of the temple. The All the Lord is made up of stone. The temple top is carved out of a single rock. The back side of the temple may have fewer carving compared to the front. The wall of the ancient Shiva temple has some Tamil language. Tamil is one of the oldest classical languages in the world. It has a rock literary and cultural heritage spanning over 2,000 years. We're now moving outside the temple to explore its exterior surrounding. The temple has two remarkable features that are worth noting. In many Hindu temples, Lord Ganesha is typically depicted in a seated position, but in this temple, Ganesha is standing position. Another one amazing feature of the temple. The Lord Murugan has 6 faces and 12 hands, is a unique and striking aspect of this temple. The symbol on his top head, known as the Kala Sakaram or Crown Sakaram. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more awesome content. If you're enjoying this video, keep watching for more exciting moments. Thanks for your support, and we'll see you in the next video.